Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, I created this roulette computer and I wanted to try and show how it works. So, I'm going to use a little bit of video from this YouTube channel, the Roulette channel. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but they've got cool roulette footage. You should like and subscribe if you want to. So, what I'm going to do is show how this roulette computer that I created works. Built it in Python, and it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So I'll show you exactly how this thing works. I'm only going to do it when the wheel is going counterclockwise because I have it set up to work that way. So what we do is that diamond up at the top is where we clock the wheel and the ball. And what we're going to do is wait for the wheel to come around, the ball, and it will give us a set of predictions. And the first prediction it gives us is over here on the right, this thing called the drop number. And I'll try and explain what that is here in a minute. What the drop number is the number underneath the ball, the predicted number underneath the ball when the ball hits a diamond. So in this case, it's really 7. We predicted 28, so we were off by one pocket. So not too bad. But then the ball scatters, and this is where the second important factor happens, and that is the offset number. As we enter the winner, 33, it hit the 7th diamond. The one that I measure at is 1, this is 2, 3, so on. This is 7. So we get this offset position, and the offset position is just measuring from our most recent drop number, predicted drop number. You just count. This is the 0 spot. 12 here is 1. 35 is 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth until you get to 33, which is 27 to the left, to the clockwise from the predicted drop number. So 33 is an offset position of 27. And as we play a little bit more, you'll see that those offset positions, if you're able to predict the drop number pretty accurately, then the offset positions are also pretty consistent. And I'm going to rewind and just do this same spin again so you can see, like, well, is it actually consistent? Because, I don't know, maybe it's not. But there's the wheel measurement. Wheel. Ball. All right. Drop number 7, which is I know that's exactly what it is. So it's gotten it completely correct on that spin. And sometimes it's a little bit off. Like sometimes it gets caught in between measurements where it thinks that the ball is going to hit a different diamond, like the number 1 diamond, or maybe the number 5, or maybe the number 3, or any of the diamonds, or maybe even that it's going to go around an entire another lap. But generally it's pretty accurate. So enter the winner. It hit the 7th diamond. So we got consistent offset positions. So it would start building bets for us. You know, it gives us these bet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because I'm not very good at Python, I don't know how to make the tiebreaker work properly. So it comes up with 2 of exactly the same thing. So excuse me. So it also works with quarter wheel measurements. So I'm going to do that this time and just did the wheel. There's the ball. So drop number is 20. I think I kind of screwed that one up, to be honest. Well, yeah, no, that wasn't great. But enter the number, enter the diamond. Yeah, I mean it was off by 7 positions. But let's try a couple of different spins. And again, I'm only going the one direction because It works the other way. I just want to show it the one direction. And this wheel is going very slow, which is actually not an advantage. It works up to about 18 seconds out. So drop number is 34. We'll see if that happens. And rewind just to double check. I think it was pretty good. So yeah, that's 2 pockets off. And we'll enter the winning number. It is 19 in this case. It hit the first diamond, so 31. Again, right in that same sort of area as the first one hit. And we'll skip. So there's the wheel. Ball. Drop number is 1. That's left bottom. It's going to hit on the left-hand side. You know what? It just missed that 7th diamond. It was predicting a hit right there. It just barely missed. That'll happen. It caught a different diamond. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter because a lot of this just continues to work out, and I don't fully understand it myself. So let's try a couple more. That wheel is just creeping. So 15 is the drop number, and now it's giving us an array of bets, which may or may not be good at this point. Ooh. So the drop number was actually 3. We predicted 15, so off by 4. If you're within 3 or 4, it still ends up being generally pretty accurate. First time, and so yeah, 32 again. So like, I mean, this was all the same one, but these two have been right in a row. And after you do about 30 spins, the bet predictions become really tight and generally are right in the ballpark of what wins. Not every time. And again, it's just for science and entertainment purposes only. Let's do one more. That wheel is just creeping. Yeah, not my best ball clocking work, but we'll see what happens. 15 is the drop number right there. So, yeah, we're off by 2. Scatters to 16. It hit the first diamond. So 19. A different spot, but, sometimes the ball scatters in a different way. And I guess I'm going to leave it at that. This is the most basic demonstrate. Let's do one more. Why not? We can't do it this way. One more. All right, drop number is 2. Right here, a bit after 2, 4, 6 after the 0. Yeah, it's off by about 2. So what matters here is putting in the time. So it hits 19. So 1, 2, 3. We're off by 3. What matters is putting in the time to figure out what the scatter is. Because maybe it's always going to be, whatever we had, 28, 27, 28, 31, 35. Sometimes it's going to hit a different number. And that's how you get to the point where it's actually really, really accurate. But yeah, this one's 13 in this case. And if you keep doing this, I'm going to do more of these videos. If you keep doing this, you're going to end up with numbers that are very similar. And basically, that's all I have for today. My first video. So thanks for watching. By all means, go like and subscribe to the Roulette channel and give me a shout if you want to. So thanks.